10 2014 Ford Escape Battery 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Weize Platinum AGM Automotive H6 Battery. Experience peak performance with the Weize Platinum AGM Automotive H6 battery, offering unparalleled reliability. Its robust 70 Ah capacity and 760 cold cranking amps ensure powerful starts in any extreme climate, minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy up to twice the cycle life of conventional batteries for lasting durability and fewer replacements. Advanced AGM technology delivers lower self-discharge, ensuring effortless starts even after extended periods. Designed for enhanced safety, it prevents acid leaks and corrosion, making it ideal for luxury, high-performance, and stop-start vehicles demanding consistent power for advanced electronics. Verify dimensions: 10.94-inch LX 6.89, WX 7.48, H, and terminal placement for a perfect fit. Choose Weize Platinum for superior power and peace of mind. Number 9. Weize Platinum AGM Group 47 Battery 680 cca. Upgrade your ride with the Weize Platinum AGM Group 47 battery, engineered for superior performance and lasting reliability. Featuring a powerful 680 cca, this battery ensures quick, confident starts every time, even in extreme cold. Its robust 60 Ah capacity and 100 Rc rating deliver consistent power, offering up to twice the cycle life of conventional batteries, so you drive further with confidence. Designed with advanced AGM technology, it's perfect for modern start-stop vehicles and those with high electrical demands. Enjoy a maintenance-free, leak-proof design with enhanced vibration resistance for maximum durability. Just confirm the dimensions: 9.52-inch LX 6.89, WX 7.48, H, and terminal position for a perfect fit and experience unparalleled, hassle-free power. Number 8. Ford Focus Escape Negative Battery Sensor, 2012 to 2018. Experiencing power issues or a mysterious dash light in your Ford Focus, 2012 to 2018, or Escape, 2013 to 2019. A reliable negative battery sensor replacement is crucial. Our precision-engineered sensor is an exact direct fit solution, perfectly matching part numbers like V6Z10C679P for seamless compatibility and proper vehicle function. Crafted from high-quality, robust materials, it ensures long-lasting durability and dependable performance against daily driving rigors. Its plug-and-play design means no extra wiring is needed, just a simple, direct fit to quickly optimize your vehicle's power management. Drive with confidence, knowing you're back on the road fast. Our dedicated team is also ready to assist with any questions. Number 7. Ford Escape Foldable Sunshade. Stay cool. Tired of scorching hot car interiors? Discover the Ford Escape Foldable Sunshade. Stay cool. Meticulously custom fit for your 2013 to 2019 Ford Escape, this shade provides a 100% perfect, gap-free windshield seal. Crafted with double-thickness 250T reflective fabric and dual heat insulation layers, silver outward, black inward, it powerfully blocks up to 99% of damaging UV rays and heat. Imagine your AC cooling your car faster, saving you gas and energy, and making every drive instantly more comfortable. Protect your dashboard and seats from harmful fading, and enjoy a private, cooler space for naps on the go. Installation and storage are a breeze, unfolding and twisting effortlessly in seconds. Enjoy a cooler, more protected ride every time. Number 6. MARXON Group 48 Start-Stop AGM Car Battery. Ready for an upgrade that truly performs? The MARXON Group 48 Start-Stop AGM Car Battery is engineered for today's demanding vehicles. This 12V70Ah maintenance-free powerhouse isn't just about starting your car, it's about optimizing your drive. Designed specifically for modern start-stop systems, you'll immediately notice a remarkable 10% fuel savings and a 20% reduction in CO2 emissions on every trip. Thanks to innovative materials and our patented alloy, charging is a rapid 40% faster than traditional SLA batteries, ensuring maximum discharge capacity and consistent reliability. Plus, its superior corrosion resistance and leak-proof, maintenance-free design guarantee unparalleled safety and peace of mind. Get the power and efficiency your car deserves. Number 5. Bosch S6 Flat Plate AGM Battery. Tired of battery headaches and unexpected breakdowns? Upgrade to the Bosch S6 flat plate AGM battery, engineered for ultimate reliability and performance. You'll love its completely maintenance-free and spill-proof design, meaning absolutely no fuss or worry. Experience enhanced charge acceptance, so your battery recharges faster, even in extreme conditions, keeping you on the go. Thanks to advanced energy life technology, the S6 offers up to double the lifespan of conventional batteries, making it a smart, long-term investment. Plus, drive with absolute peace of mind knowing you're covered by an included 4-year free replacement warranty and complimentary roadside assistance. Choose Bosch S6 for unwavering power, guaranteed. Number 4. Ford Escape Focus Positive Battery Cable Repair. Experiencing frustrating electrical issues or slow starts in your Ford Escape, 2013 to 2019, or Focus, 2012 to 2018. The culprit could be your vehicle's positive battery cable. Our expert-grade replacement cable is meticulously engineered to directly supersede CV6 CE14300A, ensuring a flawless, vehicle-specific fit. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, it's designed to combat common problems like excessive corrosion and amperage draw, which often compromise your electrical system's integrity. This cable restores stable voltage and current, ensuring all onboard systems operate optimally. Enjoy reliable starts and consistent power with a direct, hassle-free replacement that meets or exceeds original manufacturer specifications. Restore your Ford's electrical reliability with confidence. Number 3. 2012 to 2018 Ford Focus Escape Positive Battery Cable. Is your Ford Focus or Escape experiencing electrical issues, such as dimming lights or starting problems? Our premium positive battery cable, specifically designed for 2012 to 2018 models, is your ultimate and reliable solution. Crafted from high-quality, corrosion-resistant materials and professionally manufactured, this cable ensures exceptional durability and optimal electrical conductivity, guaranteeing your vehicle's power system operates flawlessly. It's incredibly tough, wear-resistant, and protects internal components from the elements, actively preventing rust and premature aging. Installation is a breeze. Simply plug and play, saving you time and the need for complex tools. Restore reliable power and complete peace of mind with this direct replacement, CV6Z14300A. Engineered for lasting performance, it's the smart choice for your Ford. Number 2. Ford Focus C-Max Escape Negative Battery Cable Sensor. Experiencing unreliable starts or electrical issues in your Ford Focus, C-Max, or Escape? Restore your vehicle's peak performance with our premium negative battery cable sensor. This component is an exact OE replacement, e.g., AV6Z10C679P, guaranteeing perfect fitment for a wide range of 2012 to 2019 models, including the Transit Connect. Crafted from high-quality copper and durable plastic, it offers excellent stability and long-lasting reliability, rigorously tested to meet factory standards. Forget costly garage visits. This sensor is a direct replacement, designed for hassle-free DIY installation. Simply swap out your old part and enjoy consistent, dependable power. Invest in quality and peace of mind for your Ford. Number 1. Ford Key Fob Battery Replacement CR2450, 2015 to 2024. Is your Ford key fob losing its spark? Restore seamless access to your vehicle with the Roam Tech CR2450 battery, precisely engineered for a wide range of Ford models from 2015 to 2024, including the Bronco, F-Series, Edge, and Escape. This isn't just any battery. It's designed for unwavering performance. Experience consistent, long-lasting power you can trust, ensuring your key fob works reliably when you need it most. Built to withstand extreme temperatures, vibration, and impact, our CR2450 delivers peace of mind, no matter the conditions. Don't let a dead battery slow you down. Get back to smooth, reliable access. Simply check your fob against Image 2 for a perfect match. So, that sums up my 2014 Ford Escape battery. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,